Cancun's finest, 10 five-star resorts you need to visit. Welcome to Cancun, Mexico, a tropical paradise known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious 5-star resorts. Today, we'll be starting a closer look at the top 10 5-star resorts in Cancun, based on their ratings and prices in 2023. Coming in at number 10, we have the Blanc Spa Resort all-inclusive adults only. Blanc Spa Resort is the epitome of luxury and elegance. As an adults-only resort, it caters exclusively to those seeking a sophisticated and serene vacation experience. With its sleek and modern design, this resort offers guests an ultra-luxurious escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Each of its 260 rooms and suites is lavishly appointed with upscale amenities such as butler service, a fully stocked minibar, and 24-hour room service. The resort is known for its elegant and sophisticated atmosphere, world-class amenities, and exceptional service. The resort also features several swimming pools, including an infinity pool with stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. There are also a variety of activities available, such as yoga classes, cooking demonstrations, and live entertainment. It is a popular destination for couples looking for a romantic getaway or for those seeking a luxurious and relaxing vacation experience. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more new daily content like it in the future.